All right, let's dive in. If you're managing network security in Azure, this is a big one for you. Microsoft just rolled out a major update to a key tool, basically a big revamp and a new name. So we're going to break down exactly what's different and, what it actually means for your day-to-day.
So let me ask you this. Does your day ever feel like you're just juggling a dozen different security dashboards? You're constantly switching tabs, checking your firewall over here, then your WAF over there, then jumping to your DDoS protection. Sound familiar?
Yeah, if you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely not alone. It's a common headache, right? Trying to keep track of all those separate services just feels, scattered. It's super inefficient, and it makes getting that one single view of your security posture almost impossible.
Well, that whole scattered experience, that's exactly what Azure is trying to fix here. They've basically taken the old Azure Firewall Manager, given it a major upgrade, and a new name, the Network Security Hub. And the whole idea is pretty simple, really. Just one central spot for all your main network security stuff.
And this is the really crucial part. It's a shift away from a tool that was just for firewalls to something much bigger. So it used to be the Azure Firewall Manager, is now the Network Security Hub. And that means it's bringing your firewall, your Web Application Firewall, or WAF, and your DDoS protection all together, finally under one roof.
So what is it really? Think of the Network Security Hub as your new command center for these three key services. It's designed to be that single pane of glass everyone talks about, the one place where you can manage, monitor, and roll out your security policies for your whole Azure setup.
Okay, a new name and a shiny new interface. That's all great. But what does this actually do for you? Let's talk about the real benefits, the stuff that's going to make your life easier.
The advantages really boil down to four main things, and they all come from bringing everything together. We're talking about a unified experience, way better visibility, some really cool personalized recommendations, and just easier navigation. Let's dig into each one.
First up is visibility. This is a big one. Because everything isn't stuck in its own little silo anymore, the hub has this awesome new coverage dashboard. You get this instant bird's eye view of your protection status across all your virtual networks, hubs, and apps. No more digging around trying to piece the puzzle together. It's just there.
Next, things get a lot smarter. The hub is now plugged directly into Azure Advisor. What does that mean for you? Well, you're going to start seeing personalized, actionable tips to make your security setup stronger and even boost performance. It's almost like having a security expert built right into the dashboard, telling you, hey, you should probably look at this.
And on top of all that, the whole experience is just smoother. The new landing page is designed to get you up and running faster. It shows you common ways to use the tool and points you to the right docs. So finding what you need and rolling out new policies is just way more intuitive than it used to be.
Now, anytime there's a big change like this, a couple of questions always pop up, right? How much is this going to cost me, and what's happening to my support? So let's get straight to the point and talk about what isn't changing. Okay, let's get this one out of the way first, because it's super important. The amount this change will add to your monthly Azure bill is zero, a big fat zero. This isn't some new product you have to pay for or a secret premium tier.
And Microsoft has been really clear about this themselves. Their official line is, and I'm quoting here, "This is a UX and naming update only. That's it. All the services underneath and how you pay for them, they are exactly the same. This is purely about making your life easier."
And finally, support. If you have support plans or specific workflow set up for the old Firewall Manager, don't worry. Nothing is changing. The support you have today is the exact same support you'll have tomorrow for the new Network Security Hub. It's a completely seamless switch.
So when you look at the big picture, this whole move to the Network Security Hub is really about one thing: trading that chaotic, scattered feeling for clarity and focus. It's getting rid of all those separate tools and giving you one smart dashboard. So I guess the real question is, once you have all your security data in one place, what are you going to see that you couldn't see before?